Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's G from Happiness and Crafting. So today it's a quick video, just going to show you a quick flip through of my new Christmas digital kit, and also some things that I've made with it which I'm going to pop into my Etsy shop. So quick flip through. So this is beautiful. So we've got 14 pages altogether, and we've got 6 main pages, 4 backing pages and some embellishments. So, and I think they're absolutely gorgeous, really lovely. I've got a beautiful sort of paley green colour, which is really lovely. Some beautiful poinsettias there. These are the backing papers, which are lovely. Absolutely love this. I think that's so pretty. There we are. So we've got the backing papers, and then again we've got the little postcard size, which I'll show you what I've done with those in a minute. Got some lovely, got some stars and some little baubles on there. We've got some beautiful big tags, loving those, really lovely. And then we've got some stockings and some bells, some more baubles and some little plaques. So I think this is a lovely one. So I'm just going to show you what I have got here, what I've made on here. So I've got some journals, which are blank journals. So I'm going to pop them into my Etsy shop. Let me pop them to the side here for a minute. So I've made each journal with a piece of the paper, obviously. So look, so we've got these, this one and this one, which I think are absolutely gorgeous. So I'm going to show you, and then with each one you'll get a little envelope to go with it, like that. So I'm going to just show you what they're like inside. So let's open it up. So I've done the closure, which has got the same, I showed you how to do this before, which has got the where you sew in the signature with the actual ribbon, and it keeps it together. So this is just a plain, it's got 30 tea stain sheets of paper in there, so that's 30 pages, or 60 back and front. So it's a really lovely one. It's a really nice gift. I've made one for myself, which I'm going to write all my Christmas bits and pieces down in. So I think they're really lovely. So each one is the same, it's just that they've got the backing paper on the inside here. This bit will be different on them all, but I think they're lovely, and this is just where I've sewn it in with the seam binding. So there, I think they're lovely. So it's a great gift. So I'm going to pop them onto Etsy. I haven't added anything physical to my Etsy shop since the beginning of the year. Obviously because I didn't want it to get stuck in the post office or somewhere where you couldn't get it because of the COVID-19. So I'm going to start sending some stuff out now. I do know that to send to Europe and the UK it takes 7 to 10 days, and the rest of the world it can take up to 6 weeks. So please do bear that in mind. So that's why I want to do some stuff now. So if you wanted to buy some for Christmas, then you know you're going to get it in time. Right, so with each little journal you get one of these envelopes as well, which are made from the backing papers, which are all lovely. So what you get inside, you've got a little closure here with the seam binding, and then I put one of the little balls on there, and they look really lovely. So they've got backed with some tea stain paper, and then inside I've got some little tags. So we've got a beautiful little tag. You get the same things in each one, it's just obviously you get a different tag in there, but very similar. So I think they're really lovely. A little bit of glitter on there, a little bit of bling, seeing it's Christmas. Then you've got a little embellishment there on a nice big tag, and then I've made with the little these little postcard ones here, these ones here, like that. I've just made them into little journals like that. So just folded them in half, pop them onto a piece of card, and backed them, and then you've got a lovely little journal in there as well to pop in your handbag. So this is what's going to be in each little pack. and I think they look really, really lovely. And it's a really lovely stocking filler as well for somebody. And then you've just got a little bit of seam binding on there to tie it up. So each one you'll get a journal and you'll get a little envelope in there. So these will be in the Etsy shop in the next couple of days. I'm also going to be adding some more stuff during October to my Etsy shop, because I have got so much stuff that I've made. But what I will do, I will make some videos to show you exactly flip through of everything that I'm going to pop onto Etsy, so you can see exactly what you're going to be getting. But please do pop along to the shop and take a look at the papers. But I think they're absolutely gorgeous, and it's a really nice little Christmas paper, very pretty little Christmas paper. Alright guys, thank you so much for joining me. Take care, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.